What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we're talking wrap tools. My favorite wrap tools, what I use the most, and what's in the bag. What's in the tool bag. So, I'm going to show you guys. So we're going to start with the bag. First of all, I always use this same bag. I used to always just use a standard bag that I bought at Canadian Tire, but Arlon sent this to me. Thank you to Arlon. This is a Yello tool bag. Very nice. You got that. I'm not actually sure what the point of this is, other than just so you can have another spot to store stuff where I store my wrap tools, which we'll talk about soon. Usually have some business cards in here, but the last place I went, I gave them all to him. I had a few in there. But yeah, so we got the bag. The bag's really nice because also got a magnet right here. So if you got the magnet, little micro squeegees, put them right there. We'll talk about that more in a bit. Alright, so yeah, the knife, you know, you always need a good sharp knife blade, so yeah, go with Arlon's, or keep on getting confused because it's branded under Arlon. It's actually made by Yello Tool, so actually a couple of these are made by Yello Tool here that I'm going to talk about today, so I'll link their website down below, also Sign Maker Tools, where I get my stuff from Yello Tools. They're in Canada and it takes a couple of days to get shipped, so it's really quick and nice and easy. Thank you, Yello Tools. Speaking of Yello Tool, Sign Maker Tool, we're just gonna stop on that for a second and go straight to the sasser cut. I'm sorry, I don't probably butcher that name every time I say it, but this little guy is awesome. This pretty much is a roller, or a knife with a roller on it. It's simple, but it is amazing. If you do graphics, you want one. So the point of it is, it's got these rollers that are at an angle here, and you basically just you wrap your graphics, you put this in between the panels and you roll it down. Cuts it nice even cut on both sides of the graphic, and then you just squeeze it around the edges. Which, talking about edges, we'll put this guy away. Brings me to one of my next new favorites. I don't know the exact name for all these little micro squeegees. I just call them micro squeegees. And this guy's awesome. So you've got a little rounded edge. It gives you a little bit of curve here, and then it wraps. This is awesome for after you've used the sasser cut, whatever you want to call it, scissor cut, sasser cut. I don't know the proper name, once again. But this guy is awesome for after you've used that, after you've squeegeed. I usually take a squeegee and run it along the edge. It folds over like 90%, and you can go finish that off with this. You just put it inside there, done. And then obviously you go over it with heat, and I usually go back over it with a glove, but that thing probably saves me 50% time on edges. Having this done. Saves a lot of time. Get yourself one of these. I'll put the links down below to where you can buy this stuff. Check it out. Next thing, I said we're gonna move this way, but we're not really. We're just going along here. These are also just micro squeegees, different style. This I use for tucking into behind rubbers, like by windshields, A-pillars, whenever anything's got a rubber in there. This one is a little stiffer, this one's a little more flimsy. Oh, sorry, this is the flimsy one, this is the stiffer one. So yeah, that's the only difference between these two, is the stiffness of the plastic, which depends on what you're working on. You may want something with a little more flimsiness, or you may not. So these are from Avery Dennison. These ones do not have magnets, which I'm not sure why. It's got a nice thick shaft here, I guess you could say. So you could easily fit a magnet in there. Next, standard squeegee here from Arlon. These are the squeegees I use most of the time. 90% of the time I'm using a squeegee, I'm using one of these. Sometimes I will pull out one of these guys. Just depends on application and what I'm doing. This guy here, also good for pretty much the same idea, a little bit thicker, a little more stiff. I've been using this a little bit more actually than these. Last big wrap job I did. But yeah, they're both awesome. They both got their places. These ones do have magnets, so stick together. I mainly just use them for sticking onto the vehicles when I'm doing the wrap. If I don't want to put it into the wrap belt, if I'm going to use it right away, pouch, if I'm going to use it again right away. This guy's really good for going down into little tight curves, corners, stuff like that. Really nice for this. Also has a magnet. Now these are not from Soundmaker Tool. These are some Amazon brand. Soundmaker Tool or Yello Tool. I think they're like 35 bucks a piece. I couldn't quite justify that just to see if I liked them. So I bought a set. There's a couple more to the set on Amazon for like 20 bucks, 25 bucks. And honest, I don't see a need to spend 30 bucks on one of these. These have been working amazing. So we'll see, maybe I'll upgrade eventually, but for now, I don't feel a need. This little cutter, this is awesome. So it's got a little blade in here. You can adjust it, you can pop it out. Very sweet little tool. Use it a lot. So you take a piece of vinyl like this, it's Orcal 751, and you just slice it. I use it a lot for when I'm doing wraps. I'll peel the backing off, and if I need just the backing gone, we'll just cut it like that. So, done. So yeah, really nice tool. You do end up, when you use a lot, going through a decent amount of blades, but that is an awesome tool. And the last thing that's, well, other than a pen, the last thing that is in my tool belt is wrap gloves. These are from Paint is Dead. We got these ones here. They are awesome. Best fitting wrap glove I've ever used. They fit amazing. They feel amazing. And pretty sweet with design. I need one with white camo though, because of something that's going to be happening to my truck soon. Anyway, yeah, these were sent to me by GSWF Paint Protection. Awesome dudes. I'll link them down in the description too. But yeah, these are one of the most fitting, comfortable wrap gloves, and they work the best from all the ones I've tried. Now, I haven't tried every brand of there. I have not tried, what is it? The wrap glove brand. But I've tried a couple different ones. I've tried a couple different ones from Paint is Dead. I've tried a couple different off-brand ones. And so far, this is my favorite glove that I've tried. But there we go. That is what's in my tool pouch, whatever. And these are the wrap tools that I use all the time when I'm doing wraps, graphics, decals, window graphics, whatever it is. These are the ones that I carry with me everywhere. Now, you do always need heat gun and isopropyl alcohol and all these other things. This is just the main tools, wrapping tools, not finishing tools, not heating tools, just the wrapping tools. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment your favorite wrap tool down below. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know which wrap tools you guys use the most. See you guys in the next one. Peace.